Trigonometry. First, lesson number second, 11th math. Trigonometry is totally based on a triangle. Meaning of trigonometry means three angle. That one angle is a 90 degree. Suppose in a triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree. Then remaining these two angle A and C, their sum also 90 degree. Suppose we consider angle C is a theta. Then opposite side is AB. BC is adjacent sides and AC is hypotenuse. Now in a trigonometry, there is some trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. That trigonometric ratios, total 6 are there. First one is sin theta. Formula of sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. In this figure, theta is considered one angle that forms the C. The sin theta means opposite side, it is opposite side AB and here hypotenuse AC. From triangle, angle C we consider as theta. Theta is angle. Then theta's opposite side AB, theta's adjacent side BC and opposite of 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. Then cos theta or cosine or cos theta, it is for adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is what? Adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Third one, that is for the tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Now fourth trigonometric ratio, that is for cot theta. Cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side. Formula of cot theta. Adjacent side is BC and opposite side is AB. In this way. Then sec theta. Sec theta formula is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is BC. Then cosec theta, it is for hypotenuse upon opposite sides. Hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is AB. The total, there are the six trigonometric ratios and you prepare that all the formulas. Now regarding for this figure, look this figure. In this figure, it is a x-axis and here it is a y-axis. and here is one point B, one point is P, that coordinate is xy. To draw perpendicular lines, here angle is 90 degree. Now this distance is x and here parallel to y, that's why its distance is y, here angle theta, and it is called as a radius, that radius is a r. Now belong to these diagrams, we want to find the trigonometric ratios. So that first one is the sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side, that is y, and hypotenuse r. Now cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side, it is x and hypotenuse is r. Then tan theta. Tan theta means opposite upon adjacent, y upon x. After that cot theta, that is a x upon y, adjacent upon opposite. Then sec theta, r upon x, cosec theta, r upon y. As like the formulas, these formulas are belonging to the diagrams, means diagram is in a standard position of the trigonometric coordinate or in coordinate geometry. Now there is some interrelation also. तर ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला इंटररिलेशन्स बघायचे आहे. वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट द व्हॉट इज द इंटररिलेशन्स बिटवीन trigonometric functions. Interrelations. So regarding for interrelations, as like first sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Means sin theta and cosec theta, that multiplication is become 1. This is important formula. Then second one, cos theta. Cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Then cos theta into sec theta, that multiplication is also 1. After that next ratios, that is for the tan theta. Tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Means tan theta into cot theta, that multiplication is also 1. Means as like there is some interrelation between the trigonometric ratios, and that is very important. As well as two more formulas are there. What is that? Tan theta also equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta.